Hello, okay, with Zuna. Wanted to go over uh, an indicator that a lot of people are familiar with, which is volume weighted average price. Nothing new about it, and I have it on here on ES, and I have it on Forex, Euro USD, and yes, it is on Forex, but I'll get to that, how I got it to plot on there. Now, first I want to show both of them. There are two indicators on here. One is the traditional volume weighted average price, which is this the yellow points here. Okay. And as you can see, it says volume weighted average price underscore H. It's this indicator up here. And the second one is plotted in the gray points. That's volume weighted average price underscore synth standing for synthetic volume. So the second indicator, which is the gray points, and the bands are projected from that gray point, does not use volume. It is using synthetic volume, or I call it synthetic volume, but it's another way of plotting the same information. So I have it on ES with the traditional volume weighted average price, just so you guys can see that how similar they are. It's pretty much, they do get out of line in some areas, and but on average they're basically the same thing. As you can see, they get, at the most they get about several ticks apart. They plot several ticks apart, but then they line up again, and at the end of the day they're pretty similar. The second indicator, which doesn't use volume, does not use trade volume, has no kind of, does not have any whatsoever, any averaging whatsoever involved in it. It is similar, it is almost the same code. The only thing I've done is substituted something else for volume. So you guys can see pretty much how similar these two indicators act. Okay, now let's go to what I have it plotted here. Oh, did I show you guys the code on the traditional volume weighted average price? Let's see, let me just show you that, so a lot of people are familiar with this code because it's okay. And as you can see, there is the function for volume weighted average price. And let's look at it on Forex now. I have it on a 5-minute chart on Forex. If I try to plot the traditional volume weighted average price on Forex, what will happen is it'll show clearly that it won't plot, it just plots a 0, 0. I have it on same as underlying, that's where you're supposed to have it. So this one is also same as underlying. As you can see, it's not working because there's no volume. Let me disable this so we can see price action. So that's, just wanted to show again you can indeed get volume weighted average price, and if you on Forex, even though there's no volume being reported. Okay. This is on a 5-minute chart, but you can change the resolution to 10, 15, 30, whichever you like, 1 minute. There's several days. So for those of you, those traders watching this, that at the core of your trading plan, volume weighted average price indicator is something that you use, then you can indeed have that if you're a TradeStation user. Now, if you're not into using bands, just go to the input, and I have them all turned on. They're set to true. This is 1, 2, 3, 3 bands above, and then 1, 2, 3 to 3 bands below. By turning all of this off, what you will have is just the volume weighted average price, and you won't have the bands. So it's a choice that each trader can make for themselves. Let's just take a look at a 15-minute chart. I'm a little bit amazed when I put both of these, when I put the synthetic volume weighted average price and the traditional volume weighted average price on, for example, a stock or a future contract. I'm amazed that how close they are, but more so that it seems that this synthetic one works even better than the traditional one. I don't know, most people use them almost the same way, but for my use, I like this just a little bit better because the way I see price reacting to it when it gets near it, it just works a little bit better. And so I'm wondering if other people are using something similar to this or not. In any case, guys, I just wanted to show this and just to encourage you guys that if you do like this indicator and you do want to use it on Forex, it is possible. Just think a little bit about it and you can use it. If you guys have any questions, you can reach me at my email, zuna@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching.